Hi boys and girls, this is Miss M. Today you watched adding 10 and 100 to 3-digit numbers. I have this little visual up at the top for you just to remind you what you did in the video. You added 10 to 243. You got 253. Skip count by 10. You added 100 to 243. 243 plus 100 equals, skip count by 100, 343. You also watch them adding 10, and sometimes that changed the tens and the hundreds digits. For example, you did 290 plus 10 equals, bumped you up to the next 100, 300. Today, you need a pen and paper, pencil and paper, in order to do a guided practice problem with me. So go grab that now and pause the video if you don't have that. If you're all ready to go, come join me. I see in this picture below 3 groups of 100. I see 3 flats. So I'm going to draw, you are too, 3 flats. 100, 200, 300. And I'm also going to write 300 right there. Next, you're going to count up the rods. That represents a group of 10. How many 10s do you see in the picture I've attached to the left? I see 2 10s. That means there's a 2 in the tens place, or the value is 20. How many 1s do you see in the picture attached? I see 5 1s. I see 5 cubes. For cubes, I do little X's. Draw this with me. And I'm going to draw a 5 in the 1s place. In the number 325, whoops. I have 3 hundreds, 2 10s, and 5 1s. We're going to add 10 to 325. Draw this with me. If I'm just adding one group of 10, I know that that is only going to make this tens place, glittery tens place, that 2-digit increase by 1. I'm not increasing the ones place by anything because there's a 0 in the ones place. So the answer to 325 plus 10 using mental math, can you guess what that answer would be? Write it in your space to the right. 300, the tens place increases by 1, so 2 plus 1 equals 3. 335. Great. You can also do it in your pictures. We already have 325 in pictures. You can add one more group of 10, and then your picture matches your answer. 3 hundreds, 3 10s, that's 30, and 5. Now, let's do 325 plus 100. Write that equation on your paper. You solve it. Either increase the hundreds by 100 with the drawings, or do it in your head. Write the answer in the space. I'm going to do it along with you. I know that there's nothing increasing in the ones place, so I'm going to keep it the same. There's nothing increasing in the tens place this time. I know I'm just adding a group of 100. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 325 plus 100 equals 425. Thanks for doing math with me.